What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video about Lightroom. My name is Cinnamon, private photo editor and business coach. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about Lightroom presets. So I hope you're ready. So let's go ahead and open up Lightroom. And I'm going to click into the library module just so we can start from there. So we're going to be talking about a few different things when it comes to presets. We're going to be talking about how to get them into Lightroom, how to find them once you do get them and you're not sure where they're at, how to kind of adjust your presets manager, and maybe how to even create some new ones. So all of our presets are going to show when we're in the develop module. So I'm going to go ahead and just click on this photo, and then we're going to click on develop. And you will see your presets menu item showing over here in the left-hand side of your screen. Now, if your arrow is pointing towards the word presets and you haven't clicked on it yet, if you click on it, you'll see your presets show here at the bottom. Now, I am a private photo editor for other photographers, so I have lots and lots and lots of presets loaded into my Lightroom catalog. You may not have as many. You may have just the preloaded ones that Lightroom gives you. Either way, this is where they're going to show. So the first thing that I want to show you when it comes to presets is how to manage your presets, because sometimes a lot of us end up buying a lot of presets and getting them into Lightroom, and then they're overwhelming and they take up all sorts of space, and it takes a while for us to find the ones that we like to use often. So what you can do, this is a really nice addition that Lightroom added not too long ago. It's on the Lightroom Classic CC version. But if you click on the plus sign, you'll see these three options come up: create preset, import presets, or manage presets. So we're going to click on manage. And you're going to see that the list of all of your presets comes up, and you can click on the ones that you want to show in your panel. So you can see that I don't have any of these clicked right here, and none of them are actually showing in my panel. The first one that shows right here is a 00 My Mixology, which is the first one that shows right here. So it's a very nice way for you to not have to delete presets in your Lightroom, but not have them clog up your presets folder. So that's the first thing I want to show you. The second thing is how to import a preset. So if you're brand new to presets, you probably will have gotten maybe instructions from whoever bought your presets from, or maybe you've looked up a YouTube video, maybe this one. So how you import a preset, it's super simple. It's a lot easier than it used to be. You just click the plus sign, import presets, and then it's going to ask you where those presets are. Now you can just navigate to where those presets are located on your computer. In this instance, this is one that I uploaded not too recently, so it's remembering that location. And you can see here's a preset file, and these XMP files are also preset files. So you would just click on those, click import, and then they would show over here in your panel, either under the title right here, or if it's a user-generated preset, it will show under the user-generated presets section. Okay, so if you're not sure where maybe a preset is located, maybe you need to find that preset file so that you can send it off to your private editor. You can do that very easily by just right-clicking on the preset itself and click, well, actually that's a folder, so let me click on the preset itself. Click Show in Finder. So when you click Show in Finder, it's going to actually show you where those presets are located. And if you don't know where this is located, obviously you can just click on your view options to find out exactly where those are located. So you can see they're located here in this folder, which is in settings, which is in Camera Raw, which is in Adobe, which is in application support, which is in library. So you can find the actual location of those preview file or preset files by clicking Show in Finder. That's a really simple way to do that. Okay, so if you wanted to create a new preset, so that's also very simple. So what you're going to do, and I'm just going to make this file right here has not been edited in any way. I am going to just make some general edits to it. Let's do that. Let's raise the shadows. Let's do a little backwards C right there. Let's bump the clarity a little bit. Let's dehaze a little bit and bump vibrance saturation down. And then let's add a lens correction, enable profile, and let's do a detail sharpening of 65. Okay, so let's say that these are typical things that we do to every single photo once we bring it into Lightroom. So we don't want to have to do all of those steps every single time. So we want to make our own preset, right? So you can do that very easily. So you have made all those changes right there, and then you're going to come over here and you're going to click on create preset. Now this dialog box is going to open up and say, what do you want to call your preset? So you give it a name. Where do you want to keep it? You can create a new group, or you can just leave it in user presets. And then what of the settings do you want to put into this preset? So we want to just keep everything just like it is. We made some changes in these various different settings. So we're just going to do that. And then you would click create, and then it would create here. I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll leave it titled untitled. And then you'll see it's right here at the bottom of our user presets. Now, if I click on this photo and nothing has been done to this, and then if I click on that untitled preset, which is the one we just created, it's going to just apply those preset settings. So that's how you would create a brand new preset within Lightroom. So I hope that you found that guide to presets helpful. If you have any questions about any of this, what was included in this video, please put that down in the comments below. I love answering questions. And if you like this video and you found it helpful, I would love it if you would give me a like, maybe even subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get notified every time I open a new video. I hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Bye.